dusty trails choking your intake, water crossings putting your engine at risk, and that stock air inlet sitting low where all the nasty stuff lives. That's a problem every serious Bronco wheeler runs into eventually. A snorkel moves your air intake to roof level and keeps your engine breathing clean no matter what. 3 top picks right here, all links in the description. Starting things off at number 3, the Mishimoto Borne Off-Road Snorkel is the performance-minded option on this list. 2 versions available: stock intake fitment or a performance intake combo with proven gains of 7.5 horsepower and 7 4/10 pound-feet of torque on the dyno. UV-resistant rotational molded tube, 3 mm steel brackets, built-in drains to prevent water intrusion, and a removable inlet for pre-filter use. Accepts A-pillar lights too, backed by a lifetime warranty. That's the full package. Number 2. The K&N Snorkel system is the proudly American-made option built for serious off-road confidence. One-piece roto-molded construction with a clean OEM-style appearance that doesn't look like an afterthought on your rig. Relocates the air inlet to the vehicle's highest point, enhances induction tone, and works with factory K&N or air raid intake systems. Installs in roughly 3 hours with stainless steel clamps included. Backed by K&N's no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Note: not legal for sale in California on pollution-controlled vehicles. Taking the top spot, the IAG Off-Road Snorkel is the most versatile and trail-ready option on this list. Raises the air intake to roof level for clean air on dusty trails and deeper water crossings. The reversible intake system is the standout feature. Flip it with the included block-off plate to dramatically cut dust intake in desert conditions. Durable ABS construction, sleek black finish, mounts directly to the factory intake for a tight seal. Installation requires permanent fender modifications, so commit before you cut. Worth every bit of it. 3 snorkels, 1 Bronco, and 0 excuses to keep running that low stock intake into everything the trail throws at you. Whether you want proven performance gains, American-made trail confidence, or a reversible dust fighting system, this list has the right answer for your build. All links are in the description. Go check them out. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Bronco and off-road content is coming your way.